Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and this is our debut, first filming of going to our first harvest host. Now, I know probably a lot of you have done that before. We have not. We've gone to a lot of different places, but we've never done a harvest host. And so I'll tell you, the experience so far, the online piece was super easy. It's probably the most difficult thing trying to pick out the place you want to go. We're in Vega Vineyard, which is about 15 minutes north of Santa Barbara, California. And I picked this place, and I gotta say, we could not be happier with it. So what I'd like to do is just kind of show you around a little bit. Highly recommend coming here if you're anywhere close in the area. And I would also ask, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, greatly appreciate that. Now, let me show you around the vineyard here. So here we are at the entrance of the Vega Vineyard and Farm. And we're gonna take you a quick walk around here. So we're gonna get to see it. We're also gonna hike up the mountain to, there's a little chapel, we're told, all the way on the top of this, the mountains here above the vineyard. So we're gonna walk up there and take a look at that as well. So sit back and here we go. So we're halfway up our trek to the chapel, but I wanted to stop here just to give you a quick, because it's a beautiful little overview of the vineyard, and you can see a little bit of the property. This is the portion that's all down low. They have more vineyard up on top where we're going next. Okay, so we made it to the top, which is about a 15-minute little hike. Pretty steep grade up here to get here, but man, the views are incredible. And we found a little chapel that they referred to. It's a really cool area, and a nice little something to do is for this little hike to get up here. So just in case you don't know much about Harvest Host, I actually did an interview with one of the representatives a while back. You can go to my channel and check that out and get the full overview of how their app and program works.